After Maldives, we are back on cycle. आजा अंशिता, साथ साथ आजा. मेरे लेफ्ट में चला बल्कि.
We are going for Tam Cok.
गाना गाता है अंशिता जाके वहाँ पे. मुझे तो काला लग रहा उन्हें तो दिख भी नहीं रहा.
My country, Longsang or dragon bed. So the dragon bed is not for sitting, it's not for sleeping, it's for meeting. So our king will sit right there, and the mandarin will sit in front of him for the meeting inside the palace.
Sure.
Yeah, so you can ask any questions you want.
So what questions you have?
What's your name?
My name is Soumik.
How do you spell your name?
Soumik.
Where are you from? India.
I'm from India, and the city is New Delhi. And sorry?
Where is India?
Yeah, we travel together. She's
You
my
have
wife.
a lot of fans, right?
New friends.
Okay.
Small friends.
Yeah.
So funny.
ये सही है, मुझे बहुत कूल लग रहा है.
Ngày xưa thì dùng làm chỗ ngồi cho nhà vua, còn bây giờ thì dùng để mà làm đồ thờ cúng. Ôi giời. Come on.
आगे बैठना अंशिता देखो.
थोड़ी देर में बैठ जाऊंगी.
पीछे तो आगे तो बोरिंग है. शेड्स पहन ले, पहनना तो सर पे है तेरे. सोच तो रहा हूँ, उड़ा दूँ फिर से.
देख रहा तू?
हाँ,
कैमरे में
बहुत सारे कैमरास में देख रहा हूँ मैं. Start Anshita, 500 steps.
Cao.
Cái cao lắm đâu. Bạn mấy bật lại.
I think कल लिया हमने 50 तो. I think 60-70 हो गए हमारे.
बस.
हाँ.
We boarded a very late night flight, reached here around 1 p.m, slept the whole night and woke up very late technically. So it's 1 p.m, now we are going to have breakfast. Don't do that. Wake up early, leave early. And this time we are staying right in the center, so I'm very happy we don't have to take a cab for every single time. Don't do that. Do your research. Stay at the right place in the center so that you don't have to book a cab. 500-600 की cab book करके जाओगे हर बार. And now we are in
Chauhan
Han Market.
Market.